Hello friends, welcome to AympeR Market. Today I'm going to show you how to use our website so that you can learn your course and the strategies and you get what exactly you are looking for in our website. Now I will start with the website. All you have to do is type AympeR.com and the portal will come like this. You need to register yourself, which will be given by the admin, and all you do is log in. Once you do login, you will be asked for an OTP which will come to your registered email ID. I have got one mine, so I shall put my OTP and just type verify. Now over here, if you see, we have your ID created over here. There's a dashboard which shows there are total number of 70 topics. Then there are I have not completed even single topic as of now. Now you get a referral options also, like if you send your contacts numbers or for the people whom you think can be the potential client for us, and we'll contact them, and if they registered for us you get a 10% commission on it. Now here are the options which you can get. The main thing is start the course. Now what happens, as soon as you press this option start the course, this will be the first topic of your course. That will be the most basic thing, that is the introduction of the Indian stock market. Now if I press that, I get one more option, that is lesson introduction. If I'm trying to press this, I get an option over here open which says introduction to Indian stock market. Now there is a written explanation of the entire topic. Now the best part over here is, until unless you do not complete the entire topic, that is introduction to the Indian stock market, you cannot move forward. Once you have understood thoroughly, you think that you have completed this subtopic of introduction to the Indian stock market, all you have to do is click over here completed. Once you complete it, there is no going back. You cannot unclick this. So that means you make sure that until unless you have not understood thoroughly, you do not click this button. And once you click this button, then only your option of next lesson gets activated. Until unless you do not click this button, the next lesson button do not get activated. That means you cannot skip any topic at all before going to the main course, that is how to do trading, because we always believe that until unless you have not got the basic knowledge or the thorough knowledge of the market, you should not jump to any strategies and start making money or lose money. So our basic funda is to make you first educated and then you can start trading. Now the most beautiful uh, facility that our admin has given you is that you can ask any question related to this particular topic which is open, that is introduction to the Indian stock market. You can see ask a question. So as soon as you press this question mark, you can say I do not understand how people still make the right choice for stocks, something like this question mark. Or you can just say I still do not understand the primary market, and you just have a question mark and just say submit. So as soon as you uh, send this question, you have this my ask questions. I still do not understand the primary market, and what will happen, the question directly goes to the admin. Now what happens, since you are on this introduction to the Indian stock market, you should make sure that your questions are related only to this topic. Consider if you have gone to furthermore other topics, but you suddenly realize that I still do not understand the topic of the first chapter. So make sure that you come back to the first chapter and press this ask question topic, and then only you should send to the admin. Or what will happen is that he will get confused that since you are on the other topic and you're asking a question related to some other topic. So to get a better answer, logical answer, and if you want to get your confusion get over, you need to ask a question related to that particular topic which is already open in front of you. Now other very nice uh, facility that the admin has given over here is that make notes. Like you can make n number of notes, that IPO is a primary market. And second point what you must have learned over here is that buying and selling online through brokers are via secondary markets. So this is how you can keep making the topics, and you can save the topic. Note is saved. If you see it's written over there, that means whenever you will open this topic, you will have this notes. Now let's see how further you can uh, learn more. Now since my lesson this I have pressed completed, I have to press next lesson. Now see, if you see types of investment, so it's like equity market, primary market, secondary market, then A group stock, B group stock, S group stocks. So this is how in-depth detailed explanation has been given to you in writing, so that you can read each and every topic. Now as I have explained before, now if you are you think you know everything and you just try to press the next lesson, see, if you see there's an error over here, you cannot go to the next lesson until unless you make sure that you clicked mark as completed, and it's completed, and now the next lesson button is activated. So we have made sure that until unless you do not complete your chapter thoroughly, you do not get an option next lesson, and we have made sure that you do agree to it, that you have completed by yourself. So you press it, and then only the option of next lesson comes. So again we press on next lessons, that is bond market. Now what happens is that over here, see bond market, now you are on the first chapter, third subtitle, that is bond market, and so on and so forth, you keep going ahead. Now if I try from, as you cannot go to the next lesson in the sub lessons the same way until unless you have not finished your introduction to Indian stock market fully, that is you have not covered all the subtitles and you yourself have not marked as completed, you cannot go to the chapter number 2, that is understand the stock market lesson introduction. It will see, it will come as complete previous lessons first. What does that mean? That until unless you have not finished your first chapter, all the subsections under it, you are not allowed, or it will not give you permission to go to the second chapter. So and so forth, you have to keep completing all the chapters under the subtitles. Ideal management, technical analysis, you have to understand all each and every one. Make sure you mark over here as complete and go to the next lesson. In the end, after you have finished all your lessons, here comes your introduction to the primary premium strategy. Now this is the premium strategy which we have introduced with lot of testing and everything, and over here you will be introduced in depth lesson to the introduction to the strategy, indicators that we have used to make the strategy, then the strategy which is used in the live market which has been explained. And after you finish everything by marking mark as complete, over here you come to a certification. You should go to this certification only when you know that you have learned each and every concept very clearly. Once you have learned all the lessons clearly and you are very sure that you have understood everything, go to this introduction to the premium strategy, last option certification. Over here certification, you have to click over here as over here is there, and the email of your confirmation by your words that you have been learned each and everything. You will able to go to the certification section, press certification that I have completed the entire course, and email will be sent to our admin. He will send you the certificate to your registered email ID. Now since we have uh, done this, I'll show you. uh, Now see, there are total 17, out of which I have completed 3. So this is how you can keep a track of how you are doing it, how much you are have completed. You can keep a track of your own studies. I hope you have understood the concept very clearly, and if you have any questions regarding the explanation of the uh, website, how to use it, and you're still getting confused, you can always email us, and our admin will make sure that he will reply you as soon as possible. Now if you see over here the introduction of your Indian stock market, if you press over here on the right hand side, the same thing which was over here, you will get all the detailings out here. So you can either go from here or from the main screen. I would suggest you do it from here so it's easy for you to go. I hope you have understood this website very clearly, and any questions, please do get back to us and we will be happy to help you. Thank you.